Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Facebook Messenger app on Windows. We're going to get started by installing the Facebook Messenger app onto our computer. First, go down to the Windows button, click it, and then in the search bar look up Microsoft Store. You should see it pop up, and when you do, go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, go ahead and look up Messenger. You should see a little colorful chat bubble pop up. Click on it, and then press Get. It'll then download and install. After it's done, press Launch. Once you're here, the very first thing you need to do is to log into Messenger. It requires your Facebook login information because it's connected to Facebook. It's going to use your Facebook friends and recommend people for you to have conversations with. So if you don't have a Facebook account, you need to have that set up first. Once you've logged into Messenger through your Facebook account, this is what you should see. On the left are all of your conversations, and on the right is the conversation that you've selected. I'm going to start a conversation with my friend Ben by clicking on the New Conversation button and then typing in his name. Remember, if you don't have someone added as a friend on Facebook, you won't be able to chat with them over Messenger. Alright, now I've started a conversation with them. Facebook Messenger allows you to call, text, and video chat with people. To chat with them, you can type in this field here, and then press enter to send the message, and then they'll receive it, and then you should be able to receive messages back from them. The call and video chat options are up in the top right corner. So for instance, I'm going to start a video chat with my friend Ben by clicking the camera button in the top right corner. It'll ring them, and then they'll have to pick up. If you get called by someone, it'll look like this. Then you'll have to click on Accept Call. Alright, once you're in a call, it should look like this. You should have options to turn on and off your camera with the camera button in the bottom bar here. You should also have the option to mute and unmute yourself with this button here. If your camera and microphone aren't working, go up to the top right and click on the gear icon. Then make sure you have your microphone, webcam, and speaker settings set up correctly. Mine will look different from yours, so don't freak out if they're not similar. Just try each one until it ends up working. To end a call, click on the red End Call button. And there you go. That's how you call someone in Facebook Messenger. Now, another nice thing about Facebook Messenger is that it also has chat rooms. Chat rooms are essentially group calls. To create a chat room, click on Create a Room and then on Create Room. You can then name your room anything you'd like. Then, go ahead and click on Join Room. Once you're here, you should see a list of friends you'd like to invite to the call. Click on Invite next to their name to invite them. If you receive an invite from someone, you'll have to click on the link to join the call. Alright, now that you're in the chat room, it'll work just like video calls do. If you get kicked off the call, you can join through the same link that you used to join initially. Additionally, if you're running the call, there are a few extra things that you should know of. If you click on See Call Participants, you should notice some extra options. Here, you'll notice options to lock the room, which means to prevent anybody else from joining. You can also invite more people to the room, and you can also mute everybody in the room. If you scroll down a bit, you'll also notice that you'll be able to view everybody in the call. Furthermore, if you click on the Settings button, you'll notice that you can end the call. Only click this when you're done with the call, as it will kick everybody else out of the room. If you yourself want to leave the room but want everybody else to be able to stay in the room, you should click on the red Leave button. Alright, that's all there really is to know about Facebook Messenger. I hope this video helped you out and will aid you in being able to communicate with your family, friends, and loved ones in the future.